So here is textbook number 26 for 3.5, but here's one that is out of WebAssign, so a little bit different numbers. So first, we're going to write each equation and then use substitution to solve. So the first equation is using this formula, y equals aeb to the x. That will be y is 1/2 equals ae raised to the b times 0. And so b times 0 is 0, so e to the 0 is just 1. Then to write the other equation, we have y is 7 equals ae raised to the b times 5, or 5b. So now we can substitute a in here. So this is 7 equals 1/2 a, that is a, 1/2 e to the 5b. So now let's multiply both sides by 2 to get the e by itself. So this is 14 equals e to the 5b. And then now let's go ahead and take the natural log of both sides. And so we find we have natural log of 14 equals e, as that cancels out, the 5b, and then divide by 5. So this is really 1/5. So b equals 1/5 natural log of 14. So then we can write our equation given our a and our b. So again, we're using this equation here. So it's y equals 1/2 times e raised to the 1/5 natural log of 14 times x. Now, just so you're aware, when you plug this, so in WebAssign, it wants you to go ahead and evaluate this by plugging it in a calculator. Okay, so you can go ahead and do that, and then so what you'll find the answer to be is y equals e to the 0.278, and then the x, right, and then over 2. So that would be the answer in WebAssign. Now, for me, so just to get you a little bit more practice in solving these without a calculator, because we can simplify this, this 1/5 at the top, that becomes the exponent, okay? And so same thing with the x. So anything multiplied to a natural log, right? So if I put the 1/5 x and the natural log of 14, maybe if you see it in that way, that whole thing becomes the exponent. So it's properties of log. So this is y equals 1/2 e to the natural log of 14, and that's raised to the 1/5 times x. And then e to the natural log, using the inverse property, that goes away. So it's y equals 1/2 times 14 raised to the 1/5 x. Okay, so if you were to practice doing that, just like the population word problem, that's what it would be. For WebAssign, it's looking for this answer here.